So hello friends, I am going to show you how to render our 3D model with Gemini. First of all, take a screenshot of your scene and go to the Gemini from Google Chrome and paste your scene in the type box. After that, write a prompt what you want in your model and what you want behind your scene. Now I am going to show you what I have faced some problems after applying 2 or 3 prompts. If you don't get your result in first prompt, don't be tired, just stay calm and write 2 or 3 prompts what you faced problems. Now just watch what I am doing with the scene and what I am doing with AI. I will also provide this prompt in the description box. You can copy from there and paste into your Gemini. You can add a city or a garden, what your scene belongs to. So here is the result. As I told you, in first prompt you cannot get what you want, but save it and add 1 or more prompts what you have faced problems and you can get what you want. So I write bump maps and to get more realistic view. So you can add also material and bump maps, but I have already applied the materials. So now you can watch this video in 2x. So there is a mistake by AI. You can give another prompt to remove that tree on the balcony. It will remove it. And I am going to tell him to add some plants. So here the AI added plants and some trees behind the house, but there is some mistake. Right side one tree is in our balcony. So let's first add people on the footpath. So here is the result. But if I don't want the people in front of the building. So let's remove. Don't add people in front of the building. So the AI will remove the people from the model. So here is the result. Let's remove that tree from our model and make it more realistic. So if you are getting bored, just play it in 2x. So here is the final result. The AI totally rendered our SketchUp model and our scene. You can make any of the render of building, interiors and all. I will also make a video on that. Thank you for watching.